Hey guys, my name is Luke Purser and I'm a certified personal trainer and motion specialist in Birmingham, Alabama. This video is part of a series we have made on lifting for the youth athlete. If you haven't watched the Start Here video yet, go back and watch it before continuing. That video includes safety precautions you will need to know for each exercise. If you have watched the Start Here video, great, let's get started. This exercise is called a deadlift. The deadlift is designed to target and strengthen the glute, hamstring, lower back, and trap muscles. When performing the deadlift, you want to start with the bar placed on the ground. Next, you're going to walk up to the bar. You want to have your feet at least hip width apart. You want to be able to see your toes on the other side of the bar. So you want to have that bar cutting your foot in half. Next, we're going to pick up the bar. So you're going to bend those knees, push your butt back. You want to have a broad chest. You want to have a flat back. When you want to retract those shoulders and you don't have those shoulders rounded. Press through the ground, standing up, full extension at the top. You want to push those hips forward and squeeze the glutes to the top, bring it right back down. So some things to think about is you don't want to have your back rounded. You want to have a strong core, flat back. That'll take a lot of stress off your back. So I'll show you a rounded back. It's like this. So when I initially pull, that's gonna go right to the back, lower back. Don't want that, it doesn't feel good and it'll really hurt. Next, rounded shoulders. This kind of goes with the back. Don't wanna have those shoulders rounded. You wanna roll those shoulders back and that'll lock those shoulders into a strong position. Next, you don't wanna have your toes too far out. You wanna have those toes facing forward in a good strong position. That way you can press through the ground. I'll demonstrate it one more time. So going down to the bar, roll the shoulders back, eyes and chest up, have a flat back. I'm gonna press through the ground, shoot those hips forward, squeeze the glutes to the top, standing tall, place the bar back down. A good rep scheme to start off with is 6 to 12 reps. You wanna start off with a light weight so you can understand and really feel the technique first before you start loading it up and going heavy. To watch more strength training tutorials, check out the playlist linked in the description below to access the rest of the exercise sequence. Or if you live in the greater Birmingham area and are interested in personal training, you can also find that link below to request an appointment on our website. We have many personal trainers who are excited to help you at any stage of your fitness journey. Now, get off YouTube and go have a great day at the gym.